So there have been a lot of questions about how to actually get into the new TKES portal, so I just figured since I figured it out with the lovely help of Ms. Kyle yesterday, I would show you guys. You go into your employee portal, and then it's not actually through the eSchool. You're going to go into your TAC. And then up at the top where it says Tools, the little briefcase, you go down to the Georgia LDS. And it's going to launch this whole dashboard. You will then click the TKES links. And you should have a hyperlink right here. If you don't have a hyperlink here, I found out the hard way last night that you have to clear your browser cache settings. So you go to your menu, and this is for Chrome, and settings. And then you're going to go down to advanced. And then under the privacy tab, you go to clear browsing data. And I just did it, so I don't need to do it. But you click clear data. And then if you reload the page, it should have your hyperlink there.